Hi! Life is full of many unexpected adventures, many unexpected blessings as well. And sometimes these blessings come in the smallest way to remind us that life is still going on and good things occur. My friend and I spotted a lovely gift placed on the balcony a couple of weeks ago, and she's been monitoring it even more than me. But this morning, I got to get a special glimpse of the results of that gift. And I just wanted to share it with you guys and to remind you that life still happens. And beautiful things come out of small situations or small things. So keep hope alive and keep on being positive. Look out for the small blessings. You never know when they will come to meet you. When I started this vlog, this episode, I wanted to share a amazing story of life. I wanted to share with you how two eggs appeared in a small flower pot on my porch, and they broke into two beautiful little birds who flew off into the lovely world of birds. And that was my dream. But as we know, life happens and it doesn't go always as we expect it. So while I expected to share with you the joy of two birds flying off, sadly today I have to share with you that our two birds were eaten by chicken hawks. True, I was told it's the natural progression, it's the circle of life, because I would like to reach that chicken hawk and probably just say, shake it up and say, you should not have eaten my birds. But of course, the chicken hawk did what chicken hawks do. And Some things we can't stop, but we can reflect and learn from them. And what did I learn in this journey? One, that sometimes we don't just accept things as the natural course of things. We try to do things to avoid them from being explosive. So, for instance, the birds were exposed. It was probably my duty to put them in a box, but we did not want to have the mother take a human scent on it. So, we did not interfere. And, it's just a reminder how many times we sit on the sidelines and we see something going on. We're like, oh, it's not my place to interfere. And maybe we could have avoided something. But then again, maybe we could not. Maybe the birds would have still died. So what could we have learned from that? That life happens. And even in the sad moments or the little things, the small moments that we have with beautiful little moments like seeing the birds, you can find joy. Look for the beauty in life because there's still beauty. And just embrace whatever season you're going through. Embrace it. Find something positive in it. And, seize the day. Seize the day, no matter what you do. Because thankfully, my friend and I, we got to really bond with these little birds, as in, document it a little so that you can see what miracles can happen from something small, and I do hope you enjoyed viewing the birds and that ultimately you will keep on finding the sunny side in each situation. Thank you for viewing.